Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video we're going to take our Sony A5100, A5100, coupled with the Risepray 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens, which unfortunately does not have a zone focus scale on the barrel of the lens, and use this lens camera combination as a point and shoot camera outside in the streets around my studio. So today we're going to go out and take advantage of the fact that it's a beautiful sunny day with a blue sky. There'll be lots of people around the town, and we're going to use this lens combination as a point and shoot, because this camera really does lend itself to that style of photography. Okay, so as you can see, today is an absolutely beautiful day. Sun is shining, we have blue skies, and I'm armed here with my Sony A5100, which is a 10-year-old entry-level mirrorless camera, coupled with the Risepray 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens, which cost me less than $35 US. On a few tests which I've done recently, I found that by shooting at an aperture of f8 and setting the focus ring to infinity, I get a pretty good focus at about 2.5 meters, effectively turning the camera into a point and shoot camera, because 2.5 meters is a comfortable distance to be able to shoot your images. Remember that 2.5 images is where the focus begins, and it extends also behind that 2.5 meters. So we have a pretty good chance of getting our shots in focus. So without wasting any more time, let's turn on our A5100 and let's go and snap some photos and have fun. Because more than anything, photography is all about having fun and enjoying what you're doing. And this little combination certainly is great fun to shoot around the streets without being too conspicuous. Well, there you go. Not bad for a 10-year-old entry-level mirrorless camera, coupled with a $35 US manual focus lens, which doesn't have a zone focusing gauge on it. Now, we could have used an app to try to measure this, but quite honestly, I think that trial and error is the best way for you to learn how to use your particular lens, the characteristics of it, what it can do and what it can't do. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. I hope you liked some of the images. You'll find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, Thank you. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I always read your comments and I always answer your comments as soon as I possibly can. Interacting with my channel is a great way for me to know the type of content which you would like me to create for you in future videos. If you liked this video and found it interesting, please click on the like button and share it with any friends, families, Facebook groups that you think may find it interesting. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, remember that subscribing to YouTube channels is completely free. So please subscribe to my channel and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.